illegal these days. But we had a lot of other electronics that I thought before they make the Elon Musk whatever illegal, so we had switched on those two.
Yeah. Now, my last question is previously, sometime Monday or Sunday, the Secretary General and I was here, wanted to come and visit you to deliver some food. We wanted to witness him delivering food to your home, and we were not allowed to come in. My question is, how have you been surviving? Considering, I mean, I've driven past your home a few times, and there's been a roadblock since. How are you surviving at home?
So when the Interreligious Council came to visit, that day they allowed us to go by food in the market. And that was 7 days later. So our boy was allowed to go to the market. That's how we got some food. So we bought enough and we have been surviving with that. That is after the Interreligious Council.
Will you be going back home? Are you afraid? Because whatever happened is very difficult.
I am afraid. I have just started seeing the bruises I picked from last night. But I am going to my home. As soon as the doctor says I'm in shape to go home, I am going home first of all to fix everything that they broke down and to go home because that's my home.
Also, of course, my name is Walter Metzia from NTV. I would like to hear from you generally. I know medical matters are private, but you could tell us what the doctor's report is like in terms of general health and general well-being. But also, are you worried that maybe these people could have planted anything within the home or within the environment? How are you going to be able to conduct something like a sweep to ensure that maybe they are not seeing now, because we've been hearing that there are drones outside. Probably now they've planted some stuff to see inside the house. Will you do like some sort of security check?
So, first of all, like I said, I'm afraid of this is traumatizing. Whatever happened, these were hundreds of men on one small woman. Because I was alone. That is traumatizing now. Normally when they come to homes, it is well known that they plant guns, they plant illegal stuff, which they would want to come back later to say they are sweeping your home and check, then take away them and take you along with them. We are afraid, of course, they could have planted something because they came at night, they came in the dark, they took away the cameras, they switched off the electricity. So anything could have happened in that time, inside and outside the house. We will try to sweep the house when I go back, but you can't rule out the fact that they planted something.
And in terms of your general well-being, maybe a report from what the doctor is saying?
So, I came here, my pressure was so high, and of course right now is when I'm feeling the pain of the strangles that I got. I have some bruises on my thighs, unfortunately I can't show you. And this you can see, my neck, and a slit on my lip, because they hit me on the floor in the room, in the sitting room. So, that's the most I can show. But some I feel already, because they were holding my hands are swollen, my arms are swollen. As time goes by, I get to feel a little bit of more of the pain, because when the body relaxes, that's when you get to feel most of the pain. But I'm on painkillers, and I've had some anxiety, medication. Maybe the doctors will explain more.
But just to be clear, you passed out at night. What time did you come back?
Those people we came back to the hospital at around 1, and they came to our house at about 10:30. So I have not asked the askari what time we left home. But the lock knows, because the lock came home during the whole raid, And he met these people living in our house. He saw the whole squad. So he could tell that I am not in position to give details on proper time.
So,
But we reached here at around 1, and our home is not so far from here, even that it was even at night, so the drive wasn't long.
So if I say that you are unconscious for maybe a couple of hours, would that be accurate?
No, that's too much, I think. It wasn't so many hours. Yeah, if it's more, it's about an hour. Because I realized that I was on the way coming to the hospital. So meaning, at around 1.
And also, I need to ask this question. Did you feel at any point that General Bozi was in the property as well?
Of course. They spoke with Nyakole. They asked me where Kabobi was. They talked about a brother of mine who was running for Kampala Central MPC, who is Ngongwe, who is actually the brother in Christ. His family, but we are not blood related. They asked me where Bobby was, and you know who has been looking for him, who gave him a 48-hour ultimatum just recently, and who told him to come out of the latrine because nobody was looking for him, and I am sure he actually is looking for him actually. Did that answer your question?
Thank you very much.
I think we switch to Uganda.